everybody, Wendy Crockett here, recipient of the AMA Bessie Stringfield Award for 2020 and co-host of the upcoming Women's Motorcycling Conference. We have 2 full days of incredible speakers, November 6th and 7th. Their entire lineup is new, and we have women like authors, filmmakers, world travelers, incredible women from across the entire powersports industry, really inspirational ladies that love motorcycles as much as you do. So you don't want to miss out. Hit up the link below and get signed up, and we're really excited to see you there.